Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. I am participating in a Thanksgiving Dessert Challenge hosted by Valerie of the Hargett Life. I will have her channel as well as the playlist listed in my description box down below. Come and check out all the wonderful desserts you can make for Thanksgiving. I appreciate Valerie for hosting this. She is so talented and her food, it looks amazing. So let's get started. First of all, you want to add 1 stick of melted butter to your bowl. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 2/3 a cup of whole milk. And just give it a good mix. This recipe came from a friend of mine. In fact, it's the same friend that gave the recipe for that fall fudge I made last year. So check that out. It's delicious. Now you want to pour your batter into a greased 9x13 baking dish. Now in a small bowl, you want to add 1 cup of sugar and add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder to that and just give it a good mix. And you want to sprinkle it over your batter that's in your baking dish. Now you want to pour 2 cups of water over the sugar and cocoa powder. You don't want to stir it, just pour it over the top. And you want to bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. It only took about 40 for me. And I want you to listen. Doesn't that sound amazing? Nothing like gooey chocolate goodness. I could sing a song about it if I could sing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Valerie's channel as well as the playlist. I can't wait to see what everybody's made. And until next time, bye, y'all.